Watch this video to the end if you want to know how to calculate your bar soap production badge, to know whether you make profit or loss in your bar soap making. So many times a lot of persons come to my DM to ask me this particular question: Bam Glam, please, how do I calculate my bar soap to know if I'm making profit or loss? If you are in this category, even if you know it, just keep watching this video to the end. You might learn one or two things about this calculation, so stay tuned. So first, we need to actually calculate the cost of this production per batch and per bar according to these categories. The categories will be listed in the caption of this particular video. Please try and save this video and watch the video to the end. This video will be useful to you. You need to check your raw material cost, packaging cost, labor cost in case you employed somebody, utility cost in case you are buying water or buying fuel for your production, equipment cost in case you are using your equipment to make, for those who are doing bigger production. Like I said, check the caption to actually get these categories. So let's first of all check for the batch cost. If you don't like calculation, I don't think production is for you. You actually need to learn how to do your calculations. If not, you'll be running loss and you will not know. Before you know, all your capital is gone. So check for the total quantity of oils or fats you are using. I'm using, in my own case, is 5 liters and it cost me 7,650 naira because I use a combination of PKO, fatty oil, and also tallow fat, 3 of them together. The quantity of the caustic I'm using, which is about 900 grams, my fragrance cost, my packaging nylons, which is 15 naira for one, times 112 bars. Then if you are using labor, include it. Utilities like fuel, I had to include it. Equipment, none was used. If you finish everything, sum it up together. For my own, it cost about 15,000 plus, as you can see on now the next thing you have to do is for you to calculate your actual cost per bar. So in my own case, I realized about 112 bars, and the cost of production for this batch is 15,470 divided by 112 bars, and I have 138 naira per bar. You have to use this to put into the next phase of the calculation to actually check your selling. So the selling price of this machine soap in the market is actually 350 according to the weight, the length, and the measurement of the soap. But I have to actually give it a competitive price, so I'm suggesting 200 naira per bar of my soap because it's handmade and it's not factory made and it does not have factory finishing and the rest, so the price needs to be cheaper. On that note, proceed to calculate your profit per bar. In this case, profit per bar is equals to the selling price minus the cost price. According to the example we started this video with, my selling price is 200 naira minus the cost price, which is 113 naira. This will give you your profit per bar. Next on the list is for us to check the profitability per bar. This will help you to know whether you are making profit or not, even though you have calculated it. But it's best you leave your answers in percentage. So the profit all over the selling price, multiply it by 100 and you will get your answer. In my own case, I did my 68 divided by 200. Whatever your answer is, multiply it by 100 to get your answer, which is 34%. So this will help you to actually know the figures around your business in case you actually want to write a proposal for a grant. So this calculation we did it per mold. So most of us soapers makes at least 5 molds per day or even more than that. Some can even make 100, those that have machine. So in my own case, if I'm working with 5 molds I make per night or per day, these 5 molds yield 560 bars. Please don't lose focus with what we have been calculating since, because this is where the main thing ends. We need to check for 1 mode, which is 112 bars, and then 5 modes, which is 560 bars. This 5 modes is just my capacity per day. So check my selling price, which is 112,000, cost price 77,280. Now minus my cost price from my selling price, and I have a profit of that 4,720 naira. So please, when you ask me, is there profit in bar soap making? Yes, there is. All this depends on your recipe, your mold, your cutter, how you cut, your sizing, your market. Please take note of these tips I drop on the screen because it will help you. On another day, we'll talk about the selling keys, how you can sell, your selling market, who you should target as your audience, and the rest of them. For today, I just dealt with only this costing issue, so that everybody, even if you are doing bulk production or small production, this video will go a long way in helping you. Please always review your costs monthly, as raw material prices can change. Aim at least 25% to 40% of your profit margin. Reduce costs by buying raw materials in bulk. Track all your expenses, transport, glove, bucket, water. eh, Cost all those things for accurate costing, please. I'm begging you all. Even the cutout that comes out of the soap, like this one I'm bringing out, and also if I groove my soap, I will still sell it, and I'll still make money from it. All those ones I did not even include it. Now please, if you want to buy cutters from us, please do send me a DM, a WhatsApp message. I'll arrange your cutter and send to you. A set of our mini cutter is 50,000 naira, and we can send to any part of anywhere you are. Just send us a DM and you'll get it.